In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to add a Shopify customer as new ActiveCampaign contact. For this, select Shopify as trigger, choose customer added or updated as trigger event. Now, let's select an existing connection and click on link account to establish the connection. Then choose write customer status to complete the trigger part. Now, in steps, we have to add a new contact with these details in ActiveCampaign. So for that, let's select ActiveCampaign. Choose create contact as trigger event. Again, selecting existing connection and linking the account. Now, we have to add details using Shopify app data. Choose contact list to save these details as contact. We are now ready with our journey. Let me just save the changes and start our journey. Next, let's visit Shopify and click on add customer details. And click on save. Once the contact is created, go back to our journey to check its execution. As you can see, the journey has been executed successfully. Now, let's go back to ActiveCampaign's contact list. Refresh it. As you can see, a new contact has been added as per the Shopify customer details. In this way, we can build a journey to add a Shopify customer as new ActiveCampaign contact. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.